Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can change your cursor in Windows 7, 8 or 10. So let's get into the video. Before getting into the video, make sure to subscribe, like and share. So let's get into the video right now. Okay, the first step is you have to type in mouse pointer. Okay, mouse pointer. See, you have it. Enter. Now you might get this page. Oops, I wrote the wrong spelling. Make sure it's correct. Okay, yeah, now it's correct. So you might see this logo. If you see this logo, then you're in the correct page. So you have to click this one, Open Cursor Library. Click that one. See, now you will get this page opened. So these are the bunch of designs you can use. And if you have a thought, or if you want to choose something, or you have an idea, you can just type it here. So I have an idea of unicorns because I like unicorns, and then you give the search button. Okay, now there are like a bunch of unicorns. So in this one I will choose the unicorn dance is working, and then you gotta download it. It's downloading. So then you have to remember where you saved it. Okay, the next step is go to the page like that one, like this button, and type in cursor. Okay, you might get these at the first. Now you can click any one of these only, when this has a mouse logo. I'm going to click that one. Okay, there will be bunch of these things. When you get this page, you have to click on the pointers. Okay, now first you have to select normal select. Okay, and then when you select this normal select, you have browse here. Click that. Okay, I just went into the page where I saved my cursor, so make sure you remember where you saved it. And then it's here, see, unicorn dances. I'm gonna click that, and then 1 second. Yes. Now I'm just gonna click apply. See, I have it now. Now if you want to the proof, see, it works. I want you to, no, it doesn't. When you click on something, it will show this mouse. You can't change that, but you can use it for typing. See, Google, and you get it. And suppose I want to delete this tab. See, it works. So yeah, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and share it with your friends so they can subscribe too. Hope you like my video, and comment down if this trick worked for you. See you guys. Goodbye, and stay tuned for the next post of my video. So yes, bye guys. See you later.